building multiple Outgrow experiences and tired of doing everything manually? Good news, you can now import your welcome screen, lead form, questions, and results using a simple CSV import. It's fast, easy, and saves you tons of time, perfect for those tight deadlines. Log into your Outgrow dashboard and select the content type you want to build. Under Start from Scratch, click Import on the layout you'd like to use. The Import dashboard will open, which will allow you to import the required details for each section, such as the heading, subheading, and CTA button text for the welcome screen. You can easily edit the sheet according to you. Next comes Questions page. It includes question text, description, question type, and options available for selection for each question. For each question, you need to make sure that you select a question type. Questions that do not have a question type specified will not be imported into your Outgrow content. For the outcome screen, depending on the content type you've selected, you can import the outcome heading and outcome description. Here we have chosen an outcome quiz, so it shows outcome and outcome description. Others include formulas used to calculate results, a thank you note and description for surveys, result heading and subheading for graded assessments, and outcome names and description for chatbots. For the lead generation form, you can import the heading and description of the lead gen form, as well as the fields that you would like to show on the lead gen form and the position of the lead gen form. Once you've added the required details for each section, click on Preview to see the details that will be imported for each section. If you're happy with everything, click Import, and your content is ready to go. You can still tweak it in the Outgrow builder if needed. Once the editing is done, click on Go Live, and your content piece is ready to engage. Now next comes exporting data from Outgrow. For exporting data from Outgrow, you can navigate to the Export Data section under the Analyze tab. Select your desired date range and choose from 3 export types. First is Customized Report. Here you can select the parameters for which you want the data to be exported for the specific content pieces. Second is Full Export. Use this export type if you want to export the complete data set for both leads and visits. Third is Question Funnel. Using this option, you can export the question funnel data for your Outgrow content. That's it. With the Import-Export feature, you can build, clone, and analyze Outgrow experiences faster than ever. Sign up for Outgrow's 7-day free trial today.